Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Quicksnap not showing on Instagram. So, if the Quicksnap button isn't appearing inside messages, you can try the steps one by one. For that, first of all, you have to update Instagram to the latest version. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Quicksnap is a new feature, so it only appears on the latest version of the app. After that, open up your Instagram and make sure you are using the main account. Quicksnap is limited in rollout, so if you're using your business account, creator account, or a secondary account, it may not appear. You can try switching to your personal or main account or any account where notes already appears. After that, you have to check Instagram message settings. Open up Instagram, then tap on your profile icon. Inside here, tap on the straight line icon. Then tap on message and story replies. Here, make sure message updates are turned on. If messaging is not updated, Quicksnap won't appear. After that, you have to go ahead and simply log out and then log back in again. Sometimes the feature loads after a refresh. So go ahead and simply log out of your account, wait for a few seconds and then log back in again. And after that, if it still does not appear to you, head back to your home screen, long press on Instagram, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. This forces the newest UI feature including Quicksnap. Also note that Instagram releases feature region by region. If none of the steps work, the feature might not be available in your country or account version yet. You'll get it automatically once Instagram rolls it out. That's it. That is how you can fix Quicksnap not showing on Instagram. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.